Hi, I'm Matt Forbes, co-owner of Auto Hail HQ, located right here in Carrollton, Texas. As you know, we perform auto hail restoration, but I also want to let you know about some other services we offer, and often, many times, we don't even need an appointment. Those door dings that drive you nuts after you parked in the parking lot, whether it got hit by a door or actually by a cart at the grocery store, we can remove those usually while you wait. In addition, driving on Dallas roads can be a little bit treacherous at times with all the construction. A lot of times you'll experience a rock chip in your windshield. We can also repair and fix those so they don't spread, again, usually while you wait. In addition, if you're looking for something a little bit more elaborate, we offer a full line of detail services, including ceramic coatings or nanotechnology. You'll find more information about those types of services on our website. And finally, nobody likes to see scratches in their vehicle or chips out of their vehicle when it comes to their paint. We can usually correct most of those things, but obviously we want to have you talk to us first and make an appointment for you. So give us a call at 469-381-7337. I'm Matt Forbes with Auto Hail HQ, where we take pride in your ride.